Can I tell you a secret that might sound completely backwards, but could get you your next client this week? The reason you're not getting clients has nothing to do with your offer or your strategy. It's a psychological glitch that smart business owners fall into, and it keeps them stuck for months, sometimes even years. One small domino. That's all that separates spinning your wheels from stacking real wins. Over the past decade, I've built multiple million-dollar marketing agencies, worked with thousands of clients across hundreds of industries, and taught over 1,000 agency owners how to start and scale their own businesses. And this framework, the confidence flip, is the thing that I wish someone had shown me on day one. I'm not just going to explain the psychology. I'm going to give you a simple system that's currently generating thousands of leads for businesses in nearly every industry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to get clients this week. But first, let me show you the trap, because once you see it, there's no going back. Here's what I see all the time. Smart, capable business owners, dentists, coaches, accountants, agencies, consultants, who know they need to do more marketing. They know they need more clients. They're not dumb. But instead of actually doing something about it, they're stuck in what I call learning mode. Watching videos, reading books, taking courses, planning the perfect funnel, waiting until they feel ready. Sound familiar? But here's the brutal truth. The day that you think you're finally going to feel ready, well, never comes. Next month turns into next quarter turns into next year, and 2 years later, you're still stuck in the same place. And I get it. I've been there. There's something comfortable about learning. It feels productive, like you're doing something, you're preparing, but preparation without action is really just procrastination in disguise. So here's the psychological principle that explains why you're stuck and how to break free. Most people believe they need to feel confident before they take action. They think, once I learn enough, once I have the perfect plan, once I feel ready, then I'll do something. But that's completely backwards. The research shows that confidence is the reward for taking action, not the prerequisite. This is what I call the confidence flip. Most business owners spend months, sometimes years, waiting to feel ready, waiting to feel confident, trying to learn their way into action. But the people who actually get clients, they do the opposite. They take imperfect action first, get a small win, and then the confidence shows up. They flip the script, and it has everything to do with these dominoes right here. Now, I'm not just making this up. There's decades of research behind this. Psychologists have studied something called the confidence-competence loop, and what they found completely contradicts what most people believe about how confidence works. Here's what they discovered. We don't get confident, then take action. We take action, then get confident. The loop works in the opposite direction than most people assume. Think about learning to ride a bike. Did you read books about bike riding until you felt confident enough to try? Did you watch YouTube tutorials until you fully understood the physics of balance? Probably not. In all likelihood, you got on the bike, you wobbled, you probably fell a few times, maybe you scraped your knee, and then only after you actually did it, you felt confident. The doing came first, the confidence came second. Studies on decision-making found the same thing. The simple act of committing to a decision, just making the choice and acting on it, actually increases your confidence. Again, action creates confidence, not the other way around. Which brings me to these dominoes. Because understanding this is one thing. Actually using it to get clients this week, that's what I'm about to show you. So here's the framework that I call the confidence flip. It has 4 stages, and once you see them, you'll understand exactly where you've been stuck and how to break free. Stage 1, the trap. This is where most people live, and honestly, it's where I lived for way too long when I was first getting started, but more on that in just a minute. At stage 1, you're stuck in learning mode, consuming content, watching videos, maybe like this one, reading books, taking courses, building out elaborate plans, and waiting to feel ready. Here's what's happening in your brain. You genuinely believe that if you just learn a little more and find the right strategy and understand things just a little bit better, then you'll feel confident enough to act. But that confidence never comes because that's not how confidence works. If this sounds like you, here's probably what you're telling yourself. I just need to learn a little more first, or once I have my offer figured out, then I'll start reaching out, or I'm not ready yet. And these all sound reasonable. They all feel responsible, but they're all variations of the same trap, using preparation as a substitute for action. And sadly, the result is always the same. You stay stuck. Meanwhile, people who know half of what you know are out there getting clients. Not because they're smarter, not because they've got a better strategy, but because they actually did something. This first domino right here never falls. Nothing happens. The whole road just sits there, waiting. That's what your business looks like when you're trapped in learning mode. Stage 2, the flip. Here's where everything changes. The flip is where you take one stupidly small action, not because you feel confident, but because the action is so small that confidence isn't even required. This is the key insight that changes everything. You don't need to feel ready. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need an action that's so small, so simple, so stupidly easy that you can do it even while feeling completely uncertain. Here's what this mental shift sounds like. Instead of, I need to build a complete marketing system, you say, I'm gonna write one short post today. Instead of, I need to master sales call before I reach out, you say, I'm gonna send one message to one person. The key here is that the action has to be so small that it feels, well, almost silly. If you look at it and think, that's it, that barely counts. Well, that's how you know you got it right. And then something happens. Maybe it's small, maybe it's imperfect, but something actually happens instead of nothing. And that changes everything. You push this domino, just a tiny push. That's all it takes to start. Now, let me show you why this works psychologically, because once you understand this, you'll never think about action the same way again. The research on momentum psychology shows that small wins create disproportionately large amounts of motivation. This means that one success, even a tiny one, dramatically increases the likelihood of taking the next action. Scientists call this the progress principle. When we see evidence that we're making progress, any progress at all, our motivation spikes, our confidence increases, and our willingness to take the next action goes up dramatically. This is why elite performers don't start with massive goals. They start with embarrassingly small commitments. A best-selling author, for example, doesn't commit to writing a book. They commit to writing one page, even one sentence. A professional athlete doesn't commit to winning a championship on their first day out. They commit to one practice, sometimes even just one rep. The small commitment creates the win. The win creates the confidence. The confidence creates the next action, and the flywheel starts spinning. Stage 3, the shift. This is where the magic happens. You get a small win, someone comments on your post, someone responds to your message, someone books a call, something works. And in that moment, your brain flips. You go from, I don't know if I can do this, to, wait, I can actually do this. This is where your identity starts to change. You're no longer someone who's trying to figure out marketing. Now you're someone who's doing marketing and getting results. That is a fundamentally different identity, and identity drives behavior. But here's what this looks like in practice. You posted something simple, maybe just a few sentences. You weren't sure that it would work, and then someone commented. Maybe someone sent you a DM asking a question. And suddenly you're thinking, that was easier than I thought. Maybe I should do that again. That internal shift, that maybe I should do that again moment, that's everything. That's the flip happening in real time. Belief isn't built from theory, it's born from evidence, and now you have proof. Watch what happens. The first domino falls, and it hits the next one. Stage 4, the roll. Once you have that first win, something shifts, and you start thinking, well, if it worked a little, it'll probably work a lot. And suddenly taking action doesn't feel scary anymore. It feels natural. It feels obvious. You start wondering why you waited so long in the first place. One domino. That's all it took. One stupidly small action. Now look what's happening. This is momentum, and momentum is everything in business. Because here's what nobody tells you. Getting clients isn't about one big move. It's about a chain reaction that starts with the smallest possible action. You're no longer asking, can I do this? You're asking, how much of this can I do? That's action mode, and action mode is where clients come from. Okay, let's be real here for a second. If you're watching this and thinking, yeah, that makes sense, but you're also thinking, I'm gonna implement this later, or yeah, I'll do this first thing tomorrow. Stop. You need to call that out. That's the trap talking. That's learning mode trying to keep you comfortable. The entire point of the confidence flip is that you don't wait. So here's my challenge. Don't just understand this framework. Use it today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Ideally, right after this video. I spent the first year trying to build my agency doing more learning than taking action, and I had all kinds of valid reasons. A ton of justifications about how I just needed to learn a little bit more, or how creating all this content that nobody was seeing at the time was good for my brand. But deep down I knew, just like you might know right now, that there's a massive difference between being efficient and being effective. I was efficient. I was getting things done. I was learning and growing and building. But my goal wasn't to learn and build and grow. At least it shouldn't have been. At that point in my life, my goal should have been one thing: making money. And making money comes down to being effective at getting clients, which more often than not comes down to one thing: having as many conversations with potential clients as humanly possible. In fact, after over a decade of doing this and having taught thousands of marketers and agency owners and coaches and consultants and other business owners, I can confidently say this without exception. The amount of money you make can be measured in direct proportion to the number of conversations you have with potential clients. Full stop. Okay, so now you understand the psychology, but here's the real question. What's the stupidly small action that you should take this week to get this momentum started? I'm gonna give you something specific, something that you can do today. Not a complex funnel, not a website, not a 90-day content strategy, just one simple thing that takes about 5 minutes. It's called a microtrigger post, and it's been working incredibly well for business owners across every industry. Here's the concept. Instead of trying to build an audience, or create a funnel, or run ads, or do any of that complicated stuff that keeps you stuck in planning mode, you write one simple post with one simple call to action. And don't worry, I'll tell you exactly what to say. But that's it. That's the whole thing. No video required, no fancy graphics, no website, just words on a screen. So let me break it down for you step by step. Step 1, identify one tiny problem your ideal clients have. Not a huge, life-changing problem, a small, specific one that they know they have right now. For example, if you're a social media manager helping local businesses, the problem might be, I'm posting on Instagram, but I'm not getting any leads or bookings. Or if you're a business coach, your problem might be, I keep having sales calls that don't convert. Notice how specific these are? They're not, I need help with my business. You want something that they nod their head and think, yeah, that's exactly my problem. Step 2, create a simple help magnet. This is something valuable you can give away for free that addresses that problem. It could be a checklist, a template, a short guide, but here's the key. It doesn't need to be fancy. A one-page PDF works, bullet points in a Google Doc works. Don't spend 2 weeks creating the perfect lead magnet here. That's learning mode trying to keep you stuck. Spend an hour, make it useful, move on. For our social media manager example, it could be a 5-point Instagram checklist for local businesses. For the business coach, could be the 3 questions to ask before every sales call. These are simple, they're specific, they're valuable. Step 3, write a short post with a comment trigger. This is the part that actually moves the needle. You write a short text post that speaks to the problem and offers your help magnet. Then you add a comment trigger. Instead of DM me, you say comment leads and I'll send it over. That one word tells you exactly who's interested. Here's exactly what this post looks like. Feel free to copy this word for word. Posting on Instagram but still not getting leads? I made a simple 5-point checklist that shows you what to fix. Comment leads and I'll send it over. That's the whole post. Yep, that's the whole post. But did you catch the pattern? All we did here was problem to solution to comment trigger. Here's what happens next. People comment. They're basically raising their hand and saying, I have this problem, I want help. And now you've got warm leads, not cold strangers. Step 4, start a conversation. When you send the resource, don't just drop the link and disappear. Instead, ask one simple question. What's your biggest challenge with topic right now? The topic being what you or your business does. The question opens a dialogue. You learn about their situation, they feel heard, and conversations, real conversations, that's what leads to clients. Now, if you want to automate the DMs and follow-ups, which is what I personally do and strongly recommend, so you're not spending hours in your inbox manually responding to every single comment, I've got you covered. I'll put a link in the descriptions below this video to the exact software I use called High Level, plus a free training that walks you through how to install my entire system into your business. Just copy and paste. That's it. This is the same system that's helped me generate over 5,000 leads per day from organic content on Facebook and Instagram for free, and honestly, not even that active on those platforms. Links in the descriptions below. But here's the important thing. Don't let the automation become another excuse to delay. Post first, get your first comment, start your first conversations, then optimize and automate. The goal right now isn't a perfect system. The goal is your first win. So here's exactly how to do this today. Not next week, today. Action 1, spend 10 minutes writing down 3 small problems your ideal clients have. Then pick the one that's most common and most specific. That's your topic. AI can help with this as well if you don't know where to start. For example, you could ask AI, what are 3 small, specific frustrations my ideal client experiences daily that I could solve? Action 2, create a simple help magnet. Give yourself 1 hour max. 1-page checklist, a template, bullet points in a Google Doc. Remember, done beats perfect. And again, AI can help with this too. Action 3, write your micro-trigger post using the formula. State the problem, mention you have something that helps, comment trigger, then post it. Here are 4 high-performing posts we actually use in my agency to get clients. And feel free to pause the video or screenshot them and copy them word for word or tweak them for your own business. Action 4, when people comment, send them your resource and ask, what's your biggest challenge with topic right now? Then have a real conversation. 1 post, 1 resource, 1 conversation starter. That's the whole system. That's your first domino. But 2 quick warnings before you do this. Warning number 1, don't use this as another excuse to prepare. I just gave you the system. I gave you the exact words to use. If you're now thinking, okay, let me spend the next 2 weeks creating the perfect lead magnet, you're back in the trap. Your lead magnet should take an hour max. Your post should take 10 minutes. Imperfect action beats perfect planning every single time. Warning number 2, the first one might not work perfectly, and that's okay. Maybe your first post only gets 3 comments instead of 30, or maybe none. That's not failure, that's data. The goal here isn't perfection. The goal is your first micro win. Even if that win is just 1 comment, 1 conversation, that's still proof, that's still momentum. The people who get results from this video are the people who post something today. Not tomorrow, today. Also, feel free to post your draft in the comments below because public commitment makes you 3 times more likely to follow through. Now look, the confidence flip is powerful, but here's what separates people who get a few clients from people who build consistent, predictable flow. They don't use just one psychological principle. They stack multiple principles together for a compound effect. For example, once you start having conversations from your micro-trigger posts, there's another psychological trigger that completely flips the sales dynamic. So instead of you chasing clients, they start chasing you. It's called psychological reactance, and when you use it right, prospects start saying things like, "What do I need to do to work with you?" No chasing, no awkward follow-ups, just inbound demand. I break down exactly how to do this, including a simple forward phrase backed by 42 studies that doubles your close rate, all in this video linked up right here. So you've got the confidence flip to start conversations. Now go learn how to make those conversations close themselves. Feel free to tap or click that video now, and see you in there in just a second.